Hey guys, welcome to Sonance here, back in our video. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make underground style tag house. So compared to mainstream tag house, the underground style is just a bit more dark, it's more bass driven. The drums are quite a bit more heavy and the production is quite minimal actually. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make underground tag house. So we're gonna start off with a vocal. I selected a vocal from the Sonance underground tag house pack. It's linked down below as well. It got around 10 vocals in there. So the vocal sounds like this.
Yo, DJ, look, I'm up in the beat right now. You know? I want something different.
So now we're gonna work on the drums under the vocal. I will be using these samples from that pack. And made this basic rhythm with it.
Yo, DJ, look, I'm up in the beat right now. You know?
Which is dope, but I think it needs some more groove, so we added in this drum loop. And then just cut out all the groove elements. Just like this. And then just remove the rest of the drum. Then just remove the other parts of the drum loop. Sounding like this. Which just adds way more groove to it. So with the other drums, already got a bouncy vibe. Then I added some more percussion to it. Just some rim shots. Slightly off the grid as well to get some more groove. Sounding like this. Slightly panned as well. And then to finish the drum groove, I added this closed head to it. And made this simple rhythm with it. Just can hear it span to the left and right with the auto pan. Just to add some more movement to it. So together all the drums sounds like this. So now we're gonna dive into the bass line. I added in a new Serum, so let's pick a preset from the pack. We'll be using this sound. So let's make a simple MIDI. We are working in F minor, so let's start on the F. This will be the MIDI, so now we're gonna mix it. First of all, the R bass to add some more subharmonics. The Saturn to add some more distortion to the low end. And the sidechain just to sidechain it. So together with the drums, it sounds like this.
Yo, DJ, look, I'm up in the beat right now. You know?
So that's it for the bass sound. Now we're gonna dive into the lead sounds. First of all, we're gonna add a step sound to it. So let's pick a preset from the pack. This one sounds really dope. It's just a really dirty lead step. I panned it a little bit. So mixing wise, I make sure to cut out the lows to make room for the sub bass. Some reverb and delay just to put it in the back of the mix. And of course the sidechain. And now we're gonna add a second synth to it. As you can hear, it got the same mixing. Just for the reverb and delay. So we'll be using this plug sound. Bump up the modulation a little bit. Again, you're starting on the F. Making a simple melody. just to fill it up some more. Now we're gonna add another preset from the pack, so this one gonna be quite a weird one, actually. Sounding like this, it's just a noise effect with a flanger on it, which gives a really dope effect, so the MIDI will be something like this. Just to put it in the background to make it a little bit more unique, because you don't hear this sound in like every other track. I'm gonna place it at the second part of the drop. So now we're gonna arrange the track some more. So actually I do want to have this first part as a build up. And then at the second part of the drop, I want to have the vocal playing, just like this. Besides that, I added the snare roll and the spanning crashes. And ambient sounds, just to fit it up some more. I also want to get rid of the drums in the build up, just to add some more energy to it, so just leave the kick in there. And I also added this automation on the master channel with cutting out the low end in the build up and bumping up the endless smell. Besides that, if you want to see more about the master channel, check the video down below. I will break it down in a separate video. So that's it for the build up. And that's actually it for the underground tag house style. So I think the final result turned out really dope. We're gonna listen to it in a minute. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.
Yo, DJ. Look, I'm up in the beat right now. You know? I want something different.